How to edit photos in Fotor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. Basically, this is the place where you can find different filters and the place where you can edit it. Now, here on the left top, you can see this edit button. Simply tap on edit, and now we're in this gallery section. So choose the image that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now basically we're in this editing platform. This is the place where you can find different tools and even edit the photo. Now here on the bottom there are different tools that are available. Now you can simply choose on the one that you like and you can easily use them. So it's up to your creativity and the way you want to transform your photos. At last you can edit it and hit on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.